where is this? JMeter pros 05. JMeter pros 05. Got it, guys? Okay. JMeter pros 05. Save it. Save this. Under this, we are taking what? Add threads. Add threads. Add threads. First, we'll start with the simple count, guys. Thread group 1, one user, ramp up second, and don't repeat for multiple times. That's fine. Save this. It's been saved. Next, under this, what we got? Sampler, HTTP request, guys. Sampler, what is the one I am taking? HTTP request, guys. Tell me. HTTP request 1. What's the port number? HTTP. What is there, guys? Localhost. Port number is what? 7799. 7799. Tell me. Even test app something is there, na? Even test app something is there or not there? HTTP localhost 7799. Meven pros 07 test app. Meven pros 07 test app. This is my what? Save. HTTP localhost 7799. Get Meven pros 07 test app, test web app, right? Yes. Okay, that's great. HTTP this one. Okay, now let me take another request of same kind. Okay, where is this? Sampler HTTP request 2. Yeah, where is this? HTTP. Here is my what? Local host. What's the port number? 7799. What's the path, guys? Paste. Yeah, this is there. Save this. Sampler, what is there? HTTP request 3. Tell me. HTTP. Server name is what? Localhost. Port number is what? 7799. Say paste. 7799. Say paste. Okay, total 3 things are taken na? Okay. I will take a result also, same thing, guys. Not sampler, this time result. View results in table. View results 1. Save this. This is a small thing, but I want to change the timer. Okay, this time what is the timer I am looking for? Timer. What is there? Uniform random timer, right? Uniform random timer. Yeah, earlier constant timer, this time uniform random time. What is a random? Maximum 10,000 milliseconds. Okay, fixed is what? 1000. 1 second gap is fixed. Come on. But the max of 10,000 can be there. That means in between 1 to 10. So 9 seconds gap, 8 seconds gap, it can be anything. That also, we also cannot guess it. That's a random number, right? Okay. Now let's see. First we'll start with this less number of requests, no repetition, nothing. So now let's run it. Let's run it. Okay. View results table, guys. View results table. See, minimum 1 second I said, okay, but max of what? 10 seconds. Tell me what happened first time? 40, 40, 40 came. Three requests came at what? Same time. Wait. Three requests came same time. Only one time. Yeah. 40th minute, but seconds are what? Everyone is taking one, huh? No, no. Year one, year what? Three is taken. Year one, year what? Three. Okay, run second time. Run second time. 40, 41 second. 49 second. Come on. And what? 53 second. So it's the gap is random number or not there? The gap is random number or not there, guys? Okay. The gap what we are getting is what? Very much a random number. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super, guys. Now tell me. Okay. Now in this situation, what I do is repeat, guys. Repeat. Increase what? Number of requests to 1,000. So number of requests to what? 1,000. Save this one. Okay. Now go to this place, clear, and go for this, run. Go for this and what? Simply say run. Right, guys? Come on, everyone. HTTP request 1, request 2, request 3. Total, how many requests are taken, guys? 3 requests. Okay, now you go for what? This. View results in what? Table. See, guys, the gap is random gap, na? I said multiple requests. 39,000 requests might be coming. 41 some other request, 42 some other request. So randomly we are able to increase or decrease number of requests or not there. Come on, guys. It's a continuous process or not there. So like this, we can play with the different timers, boss. Constant timer means gap is always fixed. Constant, what is there? Uniform random timer. Uniformness will be there. But that means some fixed constant delay will be there and varying delay will be there. Fixed, there is a minimum guaranteed delay. Varying delay is what? That can be any other number, right? Super. Like this, we have a different timer options, guys. We can use different timer option for different purpose. So now what I do is I'll go to ChatGPT. I will ask what to do in JMeter because I'm making you people life simple. Okay, I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I want to create spike test using JMeter. Give me the procedure so that you need not to worry about how many samplers you have to take, what timer you have to take. Everything it will give crystal clear picture or not there. Okay, give me procedure to create. Give me procedure to create spike test on web application using JMeter. Yeah, decide the endpoint or page you want to do type test. Example, login API home page. That's fine. Open JMeter, plan, add threads. Good. Configure spike test. Number of threads you want to take. 500. Okay. Ramp up period 5 to 10 seconds. Loop count 1 as needed. Okay, that's good. Okay, now tell me. Spike test uses very lamp up prime to simulate what? Sudden load. A spike test is all about giving what? Sudden load or not there, guys. Okay, add samplers, get paste. Okay, that's fine. Add timers. Spike test, no, do not test timer if needed. Okay, constant timer, uniform random timer. Just now I said those things, na boss. Only if you want to spacing between requests. Okay, add listeners. Okay, one of these listeners we can go for it. Okay, na? So results tree. Configure spike test pattern using what? Ultimate thread group. Optional but best. Okay, where is this? If you want to want proper spike, install JMeter plugins manager. Yeah, what is this? Okay, ultimate plugins manager. Add threads. Okay, what is there? JPSGC ultimate thread group. What is there? Ultimate thread group. Start threads. Okay, 200 to 800. Initial delay 0. Startup time this. Hold load 1 2 millisecond. Shutdown time 5 seconds. Okay. This helps to create a true spike load. What is there? The true spike load. Run the test and here observe server behavior, response time increases, error rate, application recovery afterwards spike. So analyze results, error percentage, latest throughout drop, CPU memory and all these things. Expected outcome. How your application behaves when user load all of a sudden increases. When response time shoots up, whether system recovers quickly or not, whether any crashes happen during what spike. Okay, that's fine, but this is going to create more better environment. So what is there? If you want, install JMeter plugins manager, add what? Threads, JPGC at the rate what? Ultimate thread group. Okay, plugins manager. Where is this plugins manager, guys? Am I able to create a thread like this ultimate thread group? Is there any option of ultimate thread group? Open model thread group, this script gets this thread group. Okay, fine. We'll see that. We'll see the possibility of what? Working with what? Ultimate. Install JMeter plugins manager. Okay. Add threads JPGC. JP at GC ultimate thread group. JMeter. Okay. Is there any option of add, guys? Create heap dump, this one, no. Help, options, zoom out, zoom in, run, search, this. Yeah. Wait a minute. Go to official site, install JMeter plugins.jar, copy jar into what? ext folder. Come on. Copy JMeter into what? libext folder. Go to JMeter installation directory, ext folder. Restart the JMeter. Close the JMeter and open. Start the JMeter again. Okay, now you should see menu. Options plugin manager. Where is options? Options is there, guys. Options plugin manager. Not there. Plugin manager option is not there. Maybe it come after adding that, right? Fine, no problem. Once we got it, options plugin manager, inside the plugin manager, available plugins. So there you have to select what? Ultimate thread group. What is there? Ultimate thread group. Select the plugin you want. Click and apply changes and restart what? JMeter. Ultimate, you can now see what is there? Ultimate thread grouper, stepping thread group, active thread graph. Okay, many extra facilities are coming. By default, they are not there, but they are going to come what? As extra plugins. Shall we start doing that work, guys? Okay, where is this? Official website. Plugin manager.jar. because I want to give real spike, guys. More, less, more, less, more, less. Okay. Tell me. Plugin dot jar. Okay. We got it now. Go to that place. We got this. And we have to place this one where, guys? EXT folder of JMeter are not there. We have to run this or we have to place in EXT folder. Sure? Okay. I'm believing you people. Copy this. Tell me. JMeter. What is there? JMeter soft one. Apache JMeter. Tell me what is there. Lib folder. Yeah, where is this? EXT folder. Say paste. It's there now, boss? Yeah. Tell me after that, what should I do? Should I run this? Do I need to run this? Is there any possibility of running this? Open with Java TM. JMeter plugin manager triple one dot jar. JMeter plugin triple one watt jar. Everyone getting my point, my dear? Yeah. So then tell me what should I do? I have to stop this. I will stop this. Currently test is running now. Fine. Let's stop this. Let's stop this. Wait for some time. Yeah. JMeter plugins manager triple one dot jar, guys. Okay, that's fine. So I have to restart the JMeter software now, guys. Here is what? Bin directory. There what? Apache JMeter dot jar. Click on open. Yeah, click on open. Here options. Are we getting plugins manager? Yes. Plugin manager has come now, guys. In this plugin, available plugins. In available plugins, okay. What is there? Ultimate thread group. Ultimate thread group. Where is that ultimate thread group, ra? Not coming? Is it installed automatically or upgrades? Not coming. In available plugin, I should have that one now, boss. Ultimate thread group. JMS P T U. Arre, installed. It installed already. Where is ultimate plugins, guys? Yeah, I just want to install. No, already we are seeing spike test, but I just want to feel up and down, up and down. So much gap and all of a sudden increasing. So much gap again, all of a sudden increase. That's what I'm trying to target. Okay. That is what I'm trying to target. Where is this chat GPT, guys? This one. Official website. EXT folder. Start JMeter again. We started. Plugin manager. Inside plugin manager, available plugin. Select the plugin you want. Ultimate thread group. But that is not coming, guys. Click on apply changes. Restart the JMeter. Apply changes. Restart the JMeter. Okay. Let me check again. Bin directory. Apache JMeter.jar. Apache JMeter.jar. Fine. Yeah. Plugin manager, guys, that's fine. Here is what? Available plugins. Available plugins. Thread group. VDN GitHub. They said it is available here, but it is not available here. Custom thread groups. Okay. Let me go for custom thread group. Yeah. In custom thread, this one. Adds a new thread group. All three will be added, boss. What will be added? All three will be added. Okay. Then what should I do now? Now you got it. Custom thread groups. Yeah. It is giving an option, guys. Okay. Fine. That's the explanation. Validate thread group also I will take, guys. Okay, fine. So we got it. Then where is the option of going down? Here also not there. Acha, here is there. Apply changes and restart JMeter. Apply changes and what? Restart JMeter. Yeah, it automatically restart the JMeter, guys. You need not to restart it manually. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. We got it we got it back. So now using that thread group, I want to create what? Spike test environment. Shall we start creating spike test environment, guys? Otherwise, will we modify the existing one? If I want to modify, what is there? I have to delete the thread group. If I delete the thread group, request will be deleted, everything will be deleted. It's a waste. Okay, let's go for a new one. Okay, JMeter. What is there? JMeter pros 06. I'll give the procedure. Once we feel up and down kind of thing. Okay. Once we practically feel what? Up and down kind of environment. So definitely I'll give the procedure to follow. Any copy paste only, na? Already ChatGPT has given clear cut procedure. We have to just streamline that. Yeah, tell me JMeter pros 6. Here. Okay, what is that? Proper spike. Huh? Earlier also spike, guys, but right now we are trying to feel proper spike. Yeah, save this. Where I should save this one. Yeah, applications. This save. Application this. Tell me next one. Where is this? Add threads. Yeah, we have got something called more thread groups have come now, boss. Thread groups have come, more thread groups have come or not there. Or I'm trying to create spike test and you people are feeling sleepy, yeah? Huh? Okay, tell me. Ultimate thread group. So earlier we created normal thread group. This time we are trying to create what? Ultimate thread group. This is what? One. This is saved or not there? Okay, fine. Now we'll go to that window. What are the inputs it is recommended to give? I will give those inputs. Yeah. Here, thread group. JMeter test plan, user thread. This is fine. This is for normal one. We decided to go for what? If you want proper spike, guys, tell me. Plugin manager, ultimate thread group, start threads, sudden spike. 0 to 200, 200 to what? 800. Sudden spike. Where is this sudden spike? Yeah, start threads counter, add row. What is there? Add row. Add row. What they are suggesting to do, guys? What they are suggesting to do? Sudden spike. Example 0 to 100. This one. Start threads. Here, what is there? Start threads count only, na? Okay. I'll add another row, guys. I'll add another row. First, here is what? 0. Here is what? 100. Here is what? Okay, 500. 500. Arre, why we should follow them? We'll follow what? Our own numbers. 1200. I'm asking to increase that, guys. Come on. Yeah, initial delay. Initial delay 0. Startup time 5 seconds. Hold load 1 2 minutes. Shutdown time 5 seconds. Initial delay fine. Startup time 5 seconds. What is there? Hold load. Okay, second 60 seconds. Shutdown time. Okay, shutdown time. How much they are asking to take, guys? 5 seconds. Now the question is, one row is enough, or we should have multiple rows? Okay. One row is enough, multiple rows are required. Starts with 0. How does it increases? How does it increase? Okay, we'll try with one row first. We'll try with what? One row. We'll start with 0, but later it should be incremented, right? Okay. That's good. That's good. 1 minute. Yeah, this helps to create what, guys? True load. This helps to create what? True load. My question is, how does it know it has to go to 200, 800? Is it decides dynamically or we have to write somewhere else? That's the question. File save as, green button, severe, observe say response increase, error rate, all this stuff. Fine. Okay, let's see. We'll say first try with one. If not working, we'll go for multiple one. Yeah, here what is there, guys? Sampler. What is there? HTTP request. In our style, HTTP. What is there? Localhost. Port number 7799. Here, what is the URL, guys? Copy this, paste it, say paste. That's good. We have to save this one or not there? We have to save this. That's good. Yeah. Next one. I'm taking one listener, my dear. Where is that listener? View results in table. Okay, fine. View results in table this. I think I want to take one listener. What is there? Listener. What's the listener we have to take, guys? Response graph. Response graph is there na something called response graph. Response graph. Okay, response graph 1. So like this, I'm taking different results also. Okay, now timer. Yeah, definitely we have to take some timer there now, boss. Definitely we need to take some timer support. Add samplers, parameter body, add timer. Okay, spike test normally don't use timer. If needed, you add it. Okay, if you want to have spacing between the requests, this is required. So if you want spacing between the request, you can go for what? That. So I don't take any timers, guys. We'll try without timers only. Okay. So now we have to test it or not there, guys. Yeah, check it out. which I said start count what? 0. So 0 means it won't start now, boss. Yeah, action to be taken after sampler error. Okay. Okay. What is there? Expected parallel user count. So parallel user count. I think we have to add multiple rows, guys. We have to add what? Multiple rows. Okay. Startup time was 5. Otherwise, they would have not given this window na boss. 120. Shutdown time 5. Add row 1000. Initial delay no. Startup time 5. Here is what? 60. Here is what? 5. Here is what? 5. Save this. It's been saved or not there, guys? It's been saved or not there, guys? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there? Super. Okay, now listen. JMeter Pros 06, JP Ultimate Thread Group 1, HTTP Request 1, this one. Okay, now we'll run the application. We'll run the application. Click on this. See, count is increasing. Okay, count is increasing. Look at the table, guys. View results table. View results table. See, something is failing, something is taking, boss. Observe very carefully. When I give spike 1, all of a sudden more request, all of a sudden less request. Something is failing, something is taking up or not there. Okay, look at the response graph also. Look at the graph. Okay. So yesterday we failed to get the graph. Today we are getting the graph or not there. Okay. But I want to see this graph going up and down, right? Okay. Now I'll tell because continuously I'm increasing. So if I reduce up, down, up, down. Okay, 1 minute. What I do is stop this. Stop this. Tell me. Thread group. Okay, add row. Just and again what? 100 only. Okay, we'll keep these details as it is. Save, guys. Right. Go to this table. Clear. Go to this graph. Clear. Go to this graph. Clear. Tell me. So we have to. What is this? Validate thread groups. Okay, fine. Validation is secondary. Okay, we'll go. Increased, 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 increased. 11128. Now still increasing. No, it's giving maybe overall count. It's giving overall count. Wait. But 1122, 1126, that's fine. 1188, that's giving overall count. Yeah. Tell me, response graph you observe this. Now check it out. Going up, going steady. If we further down also, because ramp up. It's not continuously up, it's not continuously down. See, started with what? 450. Started with what? Some numbers, guys. Okay, there's a host name, HTTP request. Started with some count and it's continuously going or not there. Super. And here you observe how many failed, how many succeeded. Yeah, some ramp up. See, at a time, those many requests means it is failing or not there. It is definitely failing or not there, guys. Did you notice this? So we are able to create the situation of spike test, my dear. We are able to create the situation of what? Spike test. Okay, now let me give this document, guys. See, we are able to test, but I want to create those terminologies environment. That's why I'm talking about all this stuff. Okay. How to perform proper spike test? How to perform proper spike test? How to perform proper spike test using JMeter. JMeter. Step number one. Okay. Make sure that you have installed ultimate, what guys? Ultimate thread group. Ultimate thread group as the plugin. As the plugin. Ultimate thread group as the plugin. That's the one thing we have to worry about or not there. Ultimate thread group as the plugin. Understanding my statement, guys? Make sure that you have installed what? Ultimate thread group as what? Plugin. Make sure that you have installed. Yeah, what is the procedure to follow to install, guys? Here procedure is given or not there. Are you able to feel spike test? All of a sudden increasing, all of a sudden reducing. Come on. Yeah, tell me what is there. We will go for this. Expected outcomes. How to install what? JMeter plugin manager step by step. Okay, here one thing is missing, guys. So you have to select custom plugin. From there you will get what? All the plugins to install. Okay, fine. Whatever it is. How to install. We got the jar file. Okay. First, we have to go for jar file installation. Yeah. Next one. Step 3. Restart the JMeter. Okay. Apply changes. Restart the JMeter. Available plugins. Select plugins you want. Ultimate thread group throughout sharing. Apply changes and what? Restart the JMeter. Yeah, here, where is this? Available plugin, select the plugin you want. So here actually what we have to, you will get all these things, but here you have to select what? Custom thread group. What we have to select is what? Custom thread. Because we struggle not to get where is this. So that's why to avoid that confusion, okay, first you have to go for what? Custom thread groups, ultimate thread group throughout shaping and what, etc. Yeah, apply charges and restart the JMeter. Restart the JMeter. How to perform proper spike test using JMeter. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, next step number 2. Acha, this is acha, in that one again sub steps are there. Fine. Okay, task 1. We'll make it as what? Task 1. We'll make this one as what? Task 1. What is there? Task 1. Yeah, next one. Task 2. What is there, guys? Task 2. Tell me. Create project in JMeter having ultimate thread group. What is there? Ultimate thread group. Having ultimate thread group as shown below. Create project in JMeter having what? Ultimate thread group as shown below. This is my task 2 or not there? Yes. So where is my task to perform, guys? Installation completed. Where is this? Expected outcome. Okay. Where is this is the process now, boss? Yeah. Identify test scenario. That's fine. Okay. Add thread group, but instead of regular thread group, better to add what? That thread group now, my dear. Yeah. 1 minute. And this one, step number 1, identify test scenario. We identified the test scenario. That's the fun point number 1. Next, what's the next one, guys? Add thread group. Add thread group is there, but I don't want to use this thread group. Okay, it's better to work with this thread group now, my dear. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is what. Yeah. This I will go for what? Go for this thread group. Instead of regular one, better to go for what? This one or not there. Let's make it 2. Let's make it 2, guys. Next one. Control E. Let's make it what? 15,000. What is there? 15,000. Next one. Yeah, the remaining steps are as usually there now, guys. Yeah, add samplers. What is there? Add samplers. Add samplers. Yeah. Third. Okay, add timers is optional or mandatory, yeah, guys. Add timer is optional. Add listeners. Add listeners. Yes. Yes, I'm asking to add listeners. Add listeners. Array, so different listeners we have added. Okay, after that, what do you have to say? Save the test plan and run the test. And what is the observe? What you have to observe, guys? Save the test plan. Run the test plan. Tell me what is this? Analyze this. Analyze the result. Okay. How much CPU memory it is using when all of a sudden request comes. All these things we have to consider while going for this one or not there. Yes. Got the clarity, my dear? Come on. Yes. Yeah. This is about what, guys? Spike test. Okay. Now I want to ask ChatGPT, sir, I want to go for stress test. Go, Mish. Okay. How to perform? What is there? Stress test. What test? Stress test. So my website failed in what? My website failed in spike test or not there? Because all of a sudden number of requests are increased to some number, some requests are failed or not there. So that means we have to use better server, better RAM, better hard disk. So that is again development task. Not that is not the tester's task, right? Yeah, tell me. How to perform stress test using what? JMeter. Identify the target URL or API. Fine. Open JMeter. Right click thread, user thread group, stress test. Number of threads very high. Start small, increase gradually. Ramp up period, moderate 20 to 60 second. Loop count, infinite or large number. Okay, infinite or large number. Stress test call, push the system behind the limits. Push the system behind the limits. Okay, add HTTP sampler, we add it. Add listeners, we go for what? Add listeners. Active threads overtime plugin, response time overtime plugin. JMeter plugin manager, you have to install these missing listeners or not there. Yeah, increase the load gradually. Important for stress test. Start with normal load 15, increase the peak load to what? 200 to 300. Push the system behind the capacity 800 to 1000. Observe the behavior, error rate, how much error rate is coming. That means you have to run the same application multiple times. Nothing is there. Okay, guys. Best method to use what? Ultimate thread group. Go to this one, JPC thread group. What is there? PC thread group. Configure like this. Normal load 50, 200, stress 200. So this creates gradual peak and extreme stress. Gradual peak and what? Extreme stress. Save and run. File, save, test run it. Analyze the result. So when things are increasing, boss, when things are what? Increasing, it will give total story or not there. At what time it failed, at what time it succeeded, all this stuff is clearly mentioned or not there. See guys, normal load, 50 users, 20 seconds startup time, hold time 2 minutes, shutdown time what? 10 seconds. Like this, if we create this many different things, guys, okay, at what time it is failing, what time it is not failing, we are able to see or not there. When 1200 requests are coming, whether it is failed or not. And this one is there, fine. So if it is thread group, same project. Normal thread group, you have to run same project multiple times. If you go for ultimate thread group, what happens, guys? In single stretch only, we can give all the parameters are not there. In single stretch only, we can give all the parameters are not there, guys. Okay, that's fine. So the save and run, analyze. System crashed or not, throat drops, response time spikes. Okay. 90th percentile timeline. The system recover after load is reduced. Okay. Okay, document the findings. Whatever finding comes, you try to document it. Everyone getting my point here, guys? Come on. Okay. So this is how we have to worry about how to install JMeter plugin one by one. I think I'll just give the procedure. Can you practice this one on your own, guys? I think you can go for how to perform stress testing. It's all about what? Increasing the stress level by level, right? Okay. Super. Okay. Now I'll give procedure. You practice on your own. How to perform stress testing. I'm just trying to tell whatever test they give, even though you don't know procedure, nothing to panic. Go to ChatGPT, ask the providing. So we already got fundamental. And once we got fundamentals, little enhancement, you need not to panic, because already we know what is JMeter, what we can do, what we cannot do. If you want to do certain operation, yes, ChatGPT or Google, one or other procedure will be there. Take the procedure and do it. ChatGPT is giving means what? Already it is there in the document of what? JMeter documentation. From there only it is collecting and giving, na? Maybe ChatGPT is giving in a proper format, nothing else. Right? So that's what I'm trying to say is, try to get the fundamentals clear. What is JMeter? What is the purpose? In that one, which terminology means what? That's it. After procedure, today you remember, tomorrow you may forget. Okay, tomorrow, we know 10th thing, they may ask 11th thing. Or they may ask a variety in 9th thing only. So that time, don't worry much about process. Already we got fundamentals, na? We can collect the relevant information from what? Chat GPT or what? Any other AI tool, and we can complete the task or not there. Yeah, tell me. How to perform uh, how to perform mm, stress test using JMeter. Stress test using JMeter. How to perform stress test using JMeter. Here is one 20,000. Yeah. How to install JMeter plugin manager step by step. Hey, this is, I think we already there now, boss. This is already there. Wait a minute. I'll give the FAQs at the end, boss. Don't worry. Observe the test behavior. That's good. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Let's see what is a FAQ. Some few FAQs I kept here now, boss. What is need of performance testing? We already discussed. Explain different flavors of what? Performance testing. Load test, spike test, stress test, endurance test, and etc. List out where different performance testing tools. List out various terminologies related to what? JMeter, project relation. List out various samplers. List out various listeners. List out various what? Timers. How exactly performance test is useful in what? Real projects. What is ramp up period while creating what? Threads. What are the different options that are there to graph results in what? JMeter. Okay, na? Right. Now, according to today's discussion, how to install plugins. How to install plugins. How to install plugins in JMeter. Okay, next. What is the use of what's the use of ultimate thread group? This is very useful one now, boss. Ultimate thread group and how it is different from how it is different from normal thread group. How it is different from normal thread group. How it is different from normal thread group. This is another thing that we want to deal with, my dear. Right. How to install plugins in JMeter and how it is different from normal thread. Yeah, normal thread group. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. Whatever it is, guys. So with this, we completed what? JMeter. And I have given pros and how to do different tests. So maybe they may ask to use timer, they may have to use that, this. We cannot remember every time everything, right? So what I'm providing here is we got the basic knowledge. What is what? So what to be used for which test, that is definitely our brain cannot remember them. So that time just simply use chat GPT or some other tool, whatever you prefer. There you get the procedure, follow the process. When you follow the procedure, you can create the environment and you have to take the results and you have to submit the results. Got it? So as a JMeter person, you are responsible to get the test result. What to do to overcome that? It's again developer and the development team. Whether they need to change the server or they need to increase what? RAM size or something else that's ultimately development team will take the effort. We are not responsible for it. Now we are a full stack developer means what? You have to sit and analyze. It is a RAM problem, you have to sort RAM problem. If it is a web server problem, you have to go for other web server or any. If by enhancing some settings in web server, if you can improve the performance, you have to improve it. That's ultimately not there in my hand. That's again development team and infrastructure team, all teams together to solve the problem, right? Yes. Okay, let it be, guys. Let's go for this. Here is what? Chat GPT. No. Google Drive. Hey, again space problem came. No, 13.5 GB only, no? For that also space problem. We use till the peak now, boss. Yeah, where is this? 23 na? 23, 10, 20. Where is this? JMeter. File upload. Where is this? 905. Tell me. JMeter. Here is what? This. Replace the existing. Right. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Yeah, again, tomorrow is Saturday. No session of tools. Remaining classes are there, tools. Because tools is very small journey. Okay. If needed only, I'll take a session on Saturday. Okay, next class will be on what? Monday. Thank you. Have a nice day.